pretty bad out there, huh? You're telling me it's raining cows and horses out there, like full-size cows and horses. It's raining a lot. Like a lot. Darn it. First there's a blackout, and now they say that there's a tornado warning for our area. Well, come on, we better get to the basement. My estimate is we have about 20 minutes before the Weather Channel starts freaking out because we haven't had a tornado for like 10 years, so yeah. Here, you can bring this down there. And I'm gonna run upstairs real quick and change into some dry clothes. Okay then. So, Hannah, it's not even 3:30 yet, so shouldn't you technically still be at school? Yeah, that's a long story. It all started when the school had a blackout and all the kids in my class started running around, screaming and dancing frantically. Wow. Oh, but it doesn't end there. Then we all got the bright idea to run out of the classroom and try to escape. But, you know, of course our teacher chased us. She ran about only 2 halls down, and then she basically just gave up and went back to the classroom. Then we all ran out the front door and went home, but it was raining and thundering a lot, and yeah, we didn't really think it through that much, but I mean, overall, it was a pretty good day. Okay. Here, we can sit in my potion making fort. I'm pretty sure I can find some old blankets and quilts too. Where is it? Ha! Found it! Ooh, and some Chinese food. Awesome. Yeah, I'm gonna pass on that. See yourself. Hey, you know, Harper, if you still want to watch the Weather Channel with me, I'm pretty sure I could figure out how to fix this old TV. Sounds like a plan. Well, this is surprisingly interesting. I know. I didn't actually think the tornado would go through the studio. Hey, did you hear that? Yeah, Harper, I'm not that gullible. Although I do think I just heard something. Yeah. Grab a baseball bat and meet me upstairs. Activating the spike probe. Where's the light switch? Stand back, intruder, for I am... Wait, Lydia? Is it already 3:30? Yeah, and Hannah, what are you doing here? Wait a second, were you a part of that class that got to go home early? What? No. Hannah, get back here! So, how was school?